Hey there artists, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to show you how to make your own gesso at home using just 3 simple ingredients. Say goodbye to expensive art supplies and hello to DIY creativity. Here are the 3 ingredients you will need. Number 1. White acrylic paint. 2. White glue. And 3. Talcum powder. That's it. Now let's get started. Step 1. Mix 2 tablespoons of white acrylic paint with 1 tablespoon of white glue in a bowl. Step 2. Add 1 tablespoon of talcum powder to the mixture and stir until smooth. Step 3. Continue stirring until the mixture is thick and creamy like a store-bought gesso. Tips: you can adjust the consistency of your gesso by adding more glue or talcum powder. There can be some variations. Experiment with different ratios of paint to glue to talcum powder for unique textures and finishes. And that's it. You now have homemade gesso to prime your canvases and create amazing artworks. Thank you for watching. If you try this recipe, be sure to share your results in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more DIY art tutorials and creative content.